All right, it's almost Christmas, and we're here with Tautilla.
Tautilla, yep. They're a non-alcoholic, de-alcoholized red wine. And I thought we would try it two ways for the holidays. We can have it just in a glass on its own, maybe with a little bit of all the bitters, or mulled.
And let's cheers.
Cheers. Mine is chilled. His is room temp. Oh, interesting. It has a little bit of a spiciness to it.
I like it. It's made with Tempranillo grapes, and it's out of Spain.
Mm-hmm.
It's enjoyable.
Yeah, it's not as dry as I like. It's a little on the sweet side for me. So all the bitters came out with a experimental series. These are all barrel aged. So I am going to try it with New Orleans. It's got cherry, hibiscus, and it's been barrel aged. So I'm going to put 2 to start.
Okay, I'm going to try some as well. What the heck? It has apple cider vinegar, spices, cherries, hibiscus, rosehip, gentian root.
Yeah, that makes it more interesting, honestly. It's very, very sippable. It's not as good as the Joyous, in my opinion. We did a review on that a few weeks ago. That one is more complex. This one is decent. I would say 6.5, 7, just on its own.
Yeah, some people were really saying that it's just glorified grape juice, but it is more sophisticated than that. It's I like it, and I like it with all the bitters as well.
Yeah, it needs that
extra complexity of flavor. Now, one of the things that people were saying, they were looking for a good non-alcoholic, and I think this is around 24. Versus they were, suggesting maybe a different one that would be cheaper, like Ariel. Have we tried Ariel?
I've tried Ariel.
Okay.
I've used it in a sangria before. I haven't tried it for this channel, but it's fine if you mix it. I feel like on its own, it's not anything great. I think if you want good price point, the Lights Pinot Noir that we reviewed a couple weeks ago, that one was a good one. All right.
So we're going to give it a shot with Mulled.
Mulled with cardamom and other really yummy spices. That's tasty.
That's pretty intense.
Yeah. I don't even know if I need any bitters in here. It's got a lot going on. So they'll have the anise pods, they'll have cinnamon, they'll have cardamom, they'll have some ginger in there. And you just boil it up with or simmer, I should say, don't boil, with your wine. And let it steep for a few minutes.
So this is not sweet at all. It doesn't seem like to me.
Yeah, no, but it goes really well with the cookies I got from Trader Joe's. They're like mini fruitcakes. I'm enjoying this. I definitely like it mulled. It works well.
A little bit pricey though for a mulled wine, perhaps.
Yeah, you could probably get away with using Ariel.
So we have Tautila's Sparkling Wine.
Sparkling Rose, yep. And that's one of my favorites. I hope it holds up to our top number 1, which is Joyous Sparkling Rose. It's a tough one to beat.
Yeah. Let's give it a shot.
Yeah, it's fun to have a little bit of bubbly for your holiday table, and also for New Year's. There's a lot of options. You can find them at Boisson. We have a bottle shop now here in San Francisco, and they're in LA and New York. There's also Better Rose is a great online source for the bubbly.
Dun, dun, dun.
Exciting.
This is going to be a nice little celebratory wine. Look at all those bubbles. Holy cow.
That's pretty. It's more of a champagne color to me. Not that pink, whereas Joyous is more of a nice pink color.
Cheers. Woohoo. Yeah. So first off, when I smelled it, its bouquet is strange, but the flavor too kind of feels like it's fallen. Like, where is it?
Yeah. I'm gonna have some cheese. I feel like the mulling spices we just had may have overpowered my palate.
Yeah.
And I'm wondering if we should have started with this one. Yeah, I'm not getting much. It tastes just.
It's not even like dry or.
Definitely is not dry. Sweet.
I'm sorry. The bouquet. I keep smelling it, and my nose just goes like something's wrong here. So much so that it's distracting me. So let's give this. We're gonna try all the bitters in there.
I mean, it's got this apple cider vinegary-ness to it. It's not unpleasant, but it's definitely not something I would buy again.
Yeah.
Or offer to anyone. Instead, I would offer Joyous, their sparkling rosé. Absolutely.
And Lyres. I really like the new Lyres sparkling wine. It's really nice.
And if you don't want anything that's de-alcoholized, I would suggest the Groovy rosé. It's delicious. It's made with just citric acid to make that nice and dry, and there's no wine in there. It's from a grape concentrate. So there's a lot of other alternatives. So I'm sad because I did enjoy their red Tautilla. Yeah. Their Tinto was tasty. But this, no.
So, rating?
Well, I mean, I'm going to say like a 3.
Yeah, 2 or 3. Sorry.
It's down there.
I'm like, wow, this is, it's unfortunate that this doesn't, for some reason, cut it. I don't know why.
Yeah.
You guys have a Merry Christmas, and we'll catch you next week.
Yep. Bye.